You guys like this Ceanothus spinosus, part of the Ramonaceae family? Pretty cool. I don't think that belongs here.
The great outdoors. Got a great California cactus, Sequoia cactus. You gotta watch out for these prickly pine needles. Ow.
Oh no.
They're highly poisonous.
Check it out. Yeah, dude. Do like a jump. So sick.
Hold on.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was almost a wipeout. Oh, and he did wipe out. Okay, check. This is how you do it. You didn't even see it. I stuck the landing.
Look at that winding road. Check this out.
How does he do that? How did he get down there? Oh my god. Where is he going? I guess it's just me now. Found him. We are here at the nature exploration area. Risk assumed by participants. So let's go look at the nature. Say some stumps. What do you think? What would you rate this nature area?
Too risky.
Too risky. Haven't found any nature in the nature exploration area yet, but haven't given up hope.
There's a message here.
Oh, there's a message?
It says go vegan. Protect the animals and the planet.
There you go.
Beautiful. Written on a tree that was chopped down and installed into the nature exploration portion of this park. Save the planet.